does. All right, so listen, we're gonna start off our show with something brand new today. Okay, these are beautiful. The set of 2 Capiz bunnies. If you don't know what Capiz is, it almost looks like a mother of pearl finish.
It does.
We're bringing you 2 of these bunnies that have the most gorgeous shape and height. By the way, there's a watch and shop happening right now, right, Valerie?
There is on my Facebook page. Head on over because Betty is hosting. She'll entertain your questions and answer them, and everybody has such fun shopping together.
So take a look at these. Take a look at these, right? So first and foremost, look at the heights on these. One of these is standing 13.5 inches in height.
Yes.
The other one, 10.5 inches in height. What a presence. And this beautiful, again, this finish. Talk to us about what Capiz is.
Well, mother of pearl, yes. Capiz actually comes from a shell, and it's called the window shell.
Oh.
Because it has a translucent quality to it that allows you to see it through it or light to come through it. And that is what we have created here. It's a beautiful, it almost reminds you of the inside of a shell.
Oh,
as you would go, shelling and turn it over, that beautiful inside. And we have done just a couple of things through the years in this finish, mostly in holiday season, but we thought, oh my goodness, look at the color. We need to bring spring bunnies in this Capiz finish that our Val pals have loved.
Now, today's your day to pick them up at a $14 easy pay. They're brand new. You're getting them at a sale price. By the way, we have a lot of new. This is your last show of the visit.
It is. Tons of new.
And we're giving you an opportunity to see something fresh and exciting on your own table or in your own home.
Exactly. So I love how we put them on the dining room table. Come and see, because not only are they just the perfect centerpiece for your springtime table, lots of entertaining going on in this season of the year, and these are perfect. They're a lovely gift because they don't have color, but they blend and will layer in anyone's home beautifully.
They look so expensive.
Thank you.
They really do. And they look so, again, heirloom. A lot of the pieces that you brought us in this collection this time of year really do have heirloom quality finishes to them, something that can be passed down from year to year. But I love the fact that you're taking something, a almost whimsical, kind of image, right? This bunny, and you've made it super high-end.
A beautiful elevated look, and look at how the Capiz finish and the pearlized finish of our set of 2 eggs just blends beautifully on the table.
Okay, so listen, if you want them, now is your chance to pick it up at a $14 easy pay. Remember, one of them stands about 13.5 inches in height, the other one about 10.5 inches in height. It can be a dining room table, it could be your kitchen island, it could be in one of your favorite hutches in your home.
Entry hall table, just setting the tone for the season.
Yeah.
I love that you said how high-end these are because they have that look of sophistication. You're gonna love them.
Yeah. Now listen, we also have some fun gingerbread kind of look to and feel coming